Всем привет, с вами Денисыч, и сегодня мы будем делать печь-камин. Приятного просмотра!
I take a cold hard look at the world now. Hold my hand out, got a plan now. I'ma help be the change cause I can now. Here I stand now, take my hand now. No pain, no gain, no shame. Work hard, play hard, okay. I think I get it now, don't wanna let them down. I'ma take the ground and speak my mind out loud. Here I go, proud of my notes. Teach them what I wrote, teach them all the hope. Keep them on the road to the dream. All I need is a team, build your own self-esteem. You can do anything, prove everything. Say what you mean and believe in your dream. Find that thing that you love, that you really wanna be. And don't give up till you've given absolutely everything. Yeah. Give me a chance now to prove that you're something. In your own head, all these thoughts you're confronting. We've all been there when you feel like you're nothing. Shut that shit down, crush those thoughts and just trust me. Don't let me down, just trust me. Don't let me down and just trust me. Two, what's in your head now? Sometimes think you're better off dead now. Fuck that, yeah, you heard what I said now. Don't cop out, make a plan instead now. You got this one life here and now, to feel the sun on your skin and to see the clouds. There's nothing out there quite like living. Just in the simple things, watch a kid and you'll get it. It's no heaven, but a damn close second. Can always find someone new who has it much better, but can also find someone that has it much worse. Is the cup that full? Do you have that curse? Turn it all around, put your mind in reverse. When everything hurts, go listen to these words. Your life on this earth has so much worth. You just have to find the right state of mind that works. Yeah. Give me a chance now to prove that you're something. In your own head, all these thoughts you're confronting. We've all been there when you feel like you're nothing. Shut that shit down, crush those thoughts and just trust me. Don't let me down, 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 just trust me. Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch in pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I'll always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? enjoy the climb, ayy, enjoy the grind, ayy. You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, ayy. Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo, fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo, work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo, don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it, take control and don't just fake it, ayy. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain, head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now.
Удочка ходит кругом. Ну-ка давай, да, бегом вытаскивать. Я вытаскиваю, давай ты вытаскивай, я снимаю. О, идет вообще. Я заснял.
Вон, видишь, карасик?
Где?
Вон. Ага. Опа, все, заснял. Ну ты главное,
я снял,
ну, ты главное заснял.
Ладно, пусть.
Пускай живет, так ему положено. Артистов надо уважать. Вот.
И вот мы маленько половили рыбу, потому что мы ждем кран. Сделали там разделку. Надо ставить трубу через крышу. Вот сейчас смотрите, в общем-то, как мы будем ее ставить. Фу, я не успел добежать. В общем, трубу уже поставили. Вот таким вот краном. Фу, я не успел. Слышал, что машина гудит, но не успел.
Эти ложишь вот так по углам. Вот эти центральные два прижимаешь к трубе.
Почему так?
И будет получаться вот так. Видишь, выемка.
То есть по очереди, да, получается. Выемка, нет выемки. Выемка, нет выемки.
Че?
По очереди будет,
Да,
получается.
да.
Сжимаем.
Ну, любой.
Ты прожег верхний канал?
Там у тебя открытый?
Все открыто, да?
Что?
Да. Я открывал.
Если вы займись
Открыто.
В полужому можно идти.
Идет дым.